Hello everybody, I want to show you how to make a factory reset with a Huawei P20 Lite by the buttons. So first of all, off the device, as usual, with the power button, confirm. Okay, and now we need the power button and the volume up button, and we have to press these both buttons for the same time and hold it. And hold it, 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 and hold it. And now in the middle, as we have seen the Huawei logo, we can leave the buttons. And now, if everything works, we should enter a special menu. So there it is. So first of all, you can use your finger as usual to tap on the buttons and so on to work with it. But maybe your phone have a problem with the screen, could be. Then you could use also the power and the volume up and down buttons to steer. So we want to make a wipe data factory reset, so go with the volume down button to wipe data factory reset, and you confirm it now with the power button, or you just tap it with your finger. Well, let me confirm it with the power button. So then you will ask if you're really sure to do that. Go down again with the volume down button, confirm it with the power button, and then you will ask you again if you're really sure and you have the verification is required. You go on wipe data reset. Let me do it now with a finger that you can see it works. And now you make a reset. So he gives you also a warning that you don't off the phone during that process, because you can really destroy the phone with that and it doesn't work anymore. Okay. Thank you so much that you watched this video, and maybe if you like this, what you see here, or if I help you, would be very nice if you can give me a thumbs up or leave me maybe a very nice comment. This would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And we will have a look now. So I have to be at 100%, and then you can reboot the phone to continue. And of course, all your data will be gone. So you should save your data before. So now it is at 100%. And now we have to reboot the system. Same thing, you can steer here with the volume up and volume down button and confirm with the power button, or you could use also your finger to reboot the system. So this process will take now a few minutes. You will completely reborn, and yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I could help you with it. And yeah, if you like, maybe we see us next time. Ciao.